What's poppin' YouTube? JD here, back with yet another video for you guys, and in this review I will be talking about the latest Nike Dunk Low colorway. We're gonna be talking about the Nike Dunk Low in the Varsity red colorway. What's up fam? So in this video I will be breaking down this sneaker, talking about the quality of the materials, sizing. I will even get into some resale predictions, and as always I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So yes, yet another early review for you guys. I gotta give a big shout out to Nike because they have been blessing Europe with all of the early releases. This sneaker was supposed to release worldwide on June the 12th. Instead, in the US, it has been pushed back to, I believe, July the 2nd, but it did release here on time in Europe on June the 12th. I unfortunately took an L. This was a very difficult sneaker to cop, but I did end up paying resale, and I don't mind paying resale for this because even if I don't end up using it, I'm pretty sure that the value on this pair will continue to go up over time, so it definitely makes a pretty good investment. So really not a lot of risk when it comes to paying resale for this sneaker. So in 1985, Nike released the Be True to Your School pack. Those were Dunk Highs, and this is the third release so far in 2020 that we have seen drop in a Dunk Low version. That is a colorway that has been taken directly from that pack. This one specifically is the St. John's colorway. Earlier this year we also saw the Kentucky Dunk Lows drop and also the Syracuse Dunk Lows. One of the best things about this pack is just how wearable all of these sneakers are. This pair, the Syracuse, the Kentuckys, these are just some easy to wear sneakers and just very simple too. You just have basically a two-tone look. And if we look ahead to 2021, we can see that these two-tone dunks are not stopping anytime soon. There are plenty of other colorways dropping in 2021, and some of them look absolutely sick. The one pair in particular that I want to cop is that gray Dunk High, a really dope colorway there. And I just don't think you can go wrong with this two-tone color blocking, especially with the white. It just looks really good on this silhouette. Officially, this sneaker is actually called the Dunk Low Varsity Red, although a lot of people are unofficially calling it the St. John Reds. However, I don't think that this is a true St. John sneaker, and that is because I do have a high top version of the St. John's, and if I put these shoes together, you can clearly see that the colorway is not exactly the same. These Dunk Lows definitely have a much brighter looking red than the more darker and deep red that you see on the St. John Dunk Highs. Let me know down in the comments which ones do you guys prefer, the Dunk Highs or the Dunk Lows. Leave that in the comments. For me personally, I gotta say I like the Dunk Highs better, especially in the St. John colorway. I do prefer the Dunk Highs. These sneakers come standard with these red laces that match the colorway, but you also get a pair of white laces. We've seen that on the Syracuse as well as the Kentucky pair, and I'm gonna put them on right now so you guys get a look of the shoes with white laces. So there you go, the white laces. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think? Do these look better with the white laces, or would you rather keep the standard red pair? I don't know what it is with Dunk Lows, but for some reason white laces always look really good on Dunk Lows. I personally definitely prefer the white laces on this pair. However, on my St. John's high top version that I have, I tried putting white laces on that, and I don't know, it just didn't look the same. I preferred the red laces on the high top, but on the low tops, the white laces definitely bang. By the way, very quickly, if you've been enjoying this video so far, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And of course, if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you're subscribed because I am dropping content every single week. And I've noticed a lot of you guys watch a lot of my videos, but you're not subscribed yet. So make sure you're subscribed. It really helps out the channel. Let's talk about quality, because just like every other Dunk Low release this year, the quality on these absolutely fire. We've been getting some really good leather on all of the Dunk Low releases. In fact, the leather on all of the Dunk Lows this year have been way better than the leather we've been seeing on even Jordan 1s. And that is surprising because the retail price of this pair is only $100. It is way less than a Jordan 1. The leather on this pair definitely feels very plush. It feels soft as well. You really can't complain, man. Nike has been killing it with the leather quality on the Dunk Lows. When it comes to sizing, I actually didn't even get this pair in my size. I got this in a girl size. However, every other Dunk Low that I've copped this year, including this pair, the Syracuse Dunk Lows, it fits absolutely true to size, so don't worry about going a half up. Even if you have wider feet, you should be fine just going true to size. So let's talk about resale. I actually got this pair for a pretty good price. I paid less than 250 euros for this pair. And the reason that the prices have been going up a lot on these is because a lot of people have been buying this sneaker hoping that it will go up in price just like the Syracuse pair did and the Kentucky pair did. So they're basically trying to control the market at this point. And if you look at the prices on those two pairs, they are very high right now. Almost every single size is well over $400. And that's what most people are expecting will happen with this pair. And I can say, yeah, I also do think it'll happen with this pair, simply because this colorway, very classic colorway, red and white, it's kind of debatable to say whether this pair is more wearable than the Syracuse or the Kentuckys. That's just up to personal preference if you ask me. So in my opinion, definitely a sneaker worth holding on to. I wouldn't quick sell this if you guys did end up buying it for resale. For those of you out there who are trying to cop this pair for personal, I would wait until the US release date, which is July the 2nd. And I would wait about 2 to 3 days after that, because that's when prices start to come down once people get their pairs in. And try to get this shoe for between $250 to $300, because that I think is a pretty decent price. So is this sneaker a cop or a drop? Of course, you really can't go wrong on this colorway, guys, red and white on this Dunk Low with these white laces. The quality on this sneaker really good. And of course, even if you cop for resale, definitely worth holding on to. So for me, 100% a cop. Maybe not so much for personal, because like I said, I already have the Dunk High, so I wasn't really excited about getting this pair. But for most people, this is definitely a cop. If you're not already done so, make sure you follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. That is definitely the easiest place to contact me, and I do drop a lot of content on there as well, so make sure you follow me. The on-feed part of the video coming up right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for messing with the channel. I really appreciate it. Until next time, guys, peace.